So now we need to resize, and we're going to grab onto the Move tool, and we can go ahead, and once we have that Move tool selected,
you're going to notice that it's got these corners. If you do not see that, that is under Show Transform Control right here. You notice they go away if I uncheck it, and if I check it, they are back.
we can go ahead and move this around on our screen. So in this case, I'm going to try and give it a 1-inch border on each side. And once I have it moved, I can then resize it. To resize it, you're just going to click on one of the corners, and it keeps it proportionate, as we've already discussed. And I can go ahead and then make this as big as I think it needs to start with. I've got my second picture added in, and again, grabbing onto the Move tool, getting those four corners, or getting those little squares at the corners. I'm going to move this up to match up now with the top of the first picture, and then I'm going to grab the corner and resize this image so that it fits exactly with the other one. And once again, I will zoom in using Command plus and Command minus, and I want to make sure that these line up at the top and line up at the bottom.